Kifam. And okay, thank you.
Show about the beauty of His creation. Be good, be helpful, and I would like to call. Thank you, sir, for your love. Thank you very much for kindly come on the stage and receive a small token of gift from our president.
When I got invitation, I was in outside. So when I got invitation, so I came because it's my duty to be attending every program or anywhere. It may be happy time or unhappy time. We are all of the Prasa, so it's our duty to be uniting everywhere or every time. That our Maharaja for us means unity and strength is our very important thing. So, kok the buju baju tu mo, okay, mana kok kita side mariswana, dia tu sini mother tongue bang sorry ang kaipeng kok to maya, ang kok ke purun angka ang musim pengen, ang joto language no surunan tu ni, ang belen no excited te ang sub surubu, komo language, tahu sun omo no jeno aku sudah invitation di kabel kita hambai, omo hai no sun tebo, kainan nanggo, angkai sun wasui tonggo. The senior to tahu freshers kaisa emonahin ta kajoto no zamdan the community ni kaidam tini kaiten ni kaitana jomatia amoni porodian omake alat dan to ka tahu sung wangsuma ni kajoto no khansa khai mane kaisa khai nai mane no botong di joto no tong nai debor ma jomatia yang astol ma kote kotor ka sung khai nai pura ma ko open stage adara sini dan the traditional food drops stall tong nai Sengaja sentai mengenai je, bahasa tu komo sentai ni macam kait dengan bahasa, dia komo bahasa, zaman yang bahasa tu sengaja ambo sentai mengenai, tu semua hai kaitan bagi nono bang request kayo, tu jauh sini soalnya nono kita orang cuma bagi, orang request tu nono, yang masa kok sahaja, tu nono, balik kita cari kamu.